This is Mary from Drawing School, and today I'll show you how to draw an ice cream truck. I'm going to start with a line like this in the right part of the sheet. Now I'm going to draw a line like this for the outline of our truck. We go like this, and we draw a circle for the first tire. We add a smaller circle inside it, and we continue this line up to here, so we can draw the second tire. Now we close the main shape of this truck, like this. We add some more details like the windscreen, an oval for the front part, and some circles for the lights. The plate, and now we draw two half circles for the back tires. Now we're going to start drawing the selling window of this truck with straight lines like this. A parallel line in here, and now we close it, drawing a curved line in here, like this. Now we add some U shapes, one next to the other, to simulate an awning. We add some more details, and we close the window. Now we're going to draw an ice cream icon above this truck so people can realize it's an ice cream truck. We draw an inclined V shape for the cone, and three circles in here for the scoops. We add some more details, and some lines in the cone too. I think our truck is ready. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!